Welcome back, guys. So I'm here with my fave. You guys know RPG Hair. Same packaging. So let's see what we got today. So obviously this is a wig. Before we get into that, I got edge brush and comb, a rat tail comb, flyaway tamer, wig cap, and the usual pamphlet, which has hair care and all those good stuff. That's everything that came in the box. So yeah, it is a wig. I got a 14-inch curly bob. I'm so happy because this has some color to it. It's a nice dark brown. It's an ombre vibe. These are some very nice juicy tight curls. I love that. It's so full and nice. It's 180% in density, and guess what? This is an upgraded clean hairline lace front wig. You guys know how I feel about these clean hairlines from RPG, and them first bossing upon them hairline. I'm not telling no lie. It's just like it's been up since then. Like the hairlines these days are killing it. So the lace comes pre-bleached and pre-tinted. It's really nicely done. Inside of the cap has 4 combs in total and adjustable straps in the back, so you don't have to worry about the wig slipping off. Okay. It's a 13 by 4 parting, by the way. Not super deep, but we can work with that. That's how it looks. So nice. I can't wait to. This reminds me of a wig that I had on during Vlogmas time. That's if you follow up with me at PETITE-SUE TV, and I did show that wig. It was a 99J, you know, that burgundy color, same curly type of bob. It was so nice. So I'm excited to go ahead and install this. You see how nicely graduated the hairline is. It is super nice. Love that. And the texture of the hair, it feels really strong. It's soft. It feels good. Feels good. Am I getting shedding? Yes, minimal shedding. Minimal shedding is there. Yeah, for sure. But I'm gonna go ahead and jump on into putting this on. Let's go. Alright, so right off the bat, laying it on my hairline, it's super flat, and that is definitely a pro. Super flat. The lace is super thin. You know, a good Swiss lace is just super undetectable. It goes well with almost every and any skin tone, and it's very breathable, you know, very breathable. So I always love working with a good Swiss lace. Of course, you guys know I'm gonna line up the ear portion and cut away the excess lace. Just a little bit that I need to cut away, not a lot off the side. So I'm gonna go ahead and actually, you know, spray the mid portion first because I want it to be even on the sides. So that's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna actually use my blow dryer and my 𝐷2B to just, you know, speed up this process. So you could definitely go ahead and not do any swoops, and I've done like probably 2 recent videos where I didn't do any swoops at all with my Swiss lace wigs. Today I'm actually in the vibe to, you know, do a light swoop. think so far. Curly Sue, call me Curly Sue. Super nice and curly, love it. You could go ahead and make this bigger if you like break it through. You could do a whole side part vibe and like make it bigger. Like the more you rake it through, the bigger it gets, and that's a look too. Like that's a whole vibe. So feel free to go ahead and do that if that's your kind of vibe. But I'm gonna you know, do my juicy wet look. It's so pretty. Like the density and everything in it is really nice. I am getting some shedding. I mean, that's expected with really tight curly hair like this. Like, you see how tight the curls are? Yeah, I want to make the parting better and more like precise. So I'm gonna use some concealer because you're seeing my wig cap here, so I need to kind of like camouflage that. And I'm going to use my hot comb to, you know, get everything flatter, you know, more laid. I don't need to get it like super flat because it's curly hair. So I do, you know, my usual. I put some concealer on the tip of my rat tail comb and the part like that, make it more precise and blend in with my wig cap there. So that's how that looks. Could literally leave it like this. I'm so like tempted. Like, I have two products. So I have this bottle with water and I have this curling gel. So those are the only two products I'm gonna be using, and of course my brush to, you know, brush it through. So use this to get it wet. Guys, you see that bones? So you see it dry versus wet. As this side dries, because I never get it like dripping wet, you can see it start getting back the volume, but it's like really like even more defined than before, and it looks super good. This texture, it looks amazing in both states. And the great thing about this is when it dries down with the definition that you're seeing right now. So, you know, it will get back some fluff, but more fluff, but it still has a tight, curly, defined look, which is just so nice. Perfect summer wig, because, you know, in the heat and stuff, you don't want anything too long on you sometimes. And this is one of those, definitely one of those wigs. RPG, they did it again. Let me show you the back. So that looks perfect. I love it. It looks really good. You know, the hairline, everything looks really good. So I love that. Let me know what you guys think down below in the comment section. As usual, you guys know that all the details for this will be listed in my description box, so check that out, as well as a direct link if you're interested in purchasing this for yourself. Okay, all the necessary information will be down there. Shout out to RPG once more for sponsoring today's video. I can't wait to go ahead and wrap this outside tomorrow. This is too nice. But yeah, that's it for today's video, guys. Don't forget to go ahead and check me out on my vlog channel as well, PETITE-SUE TV, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.